Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NEWC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I don't think anybody's going to sit around and argue that. Sure, there was a little bit of a pullback here, but even where the price closed today relative to where it was, good solid move. But that does lead to the question, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine momentum, genuine strength? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that level to me is down here at 0.017. Why is 0.017 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.017. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? As time goes by, they're going to make progress in the upwards direction. So to me, 0.017, very important level of support. What about areas of resistance? Initial area of resistance, if the price is going to give, the previous highs another run, is going to be right there at 0.02. You can see a few different instances throughout the day. The bulls try to get back above that area there, and then couldn't quite do it. So 0.02 is going to be that initial area of resistance. And then the next one to keep in mind from an overall perspective is going to be that pink line up there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. But one step at a time, before you start worrying about the 200 period, bulls first got to get up above 0.02. No doubt about it, though, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.